Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to apply 4D parallax wallpaper on any HyperOS phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here, just search 4D parallax wallpaper. Now from here, just install this app. Now it will take a few seconds for the app to download. And once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here, tap on continue and tap on OK. Now from here, make sure you select 4D, just like that. Now from here, just download any wallpaper you like. We will install this one. Now from here, tap on OK. Now from here, just select watch add to get. Now from here, just tap on set wallpaper. Now from here, you can set this image as your home screen wallpaper, or you can set it as your home screen and your lock screen wallpaper. We will select home screen and lock screen. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, as you can see, when we move our smartphone, we will get a 3D effect in the background. Just like that. And this is how you can apply 4D parallax wallpaper on any HyperOS phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.